Hello guys, welcome to Test Drive 360. Today we are going to talk about the much anticipated subcompact SUV finally launched by Kia Motors in India, which is the Kia Sonet. Friends, Kia Sonet concept was showcased in Auto Expo 2020, and it seems in the first impression that it has almost taken all the elements from it in the production model as well, as far as exterior is concerned, which is quite impressive. Inspired by Baby Elephant, this SUV is powerful plus compact combination. It has a long and strong hood and bumper. Black A-pillars with wider wheel arches give this SUV a wider, broader and a muscular look. It has got 16-inch alloy wheels and ground clearance also seems to be sufficient. Looking at the front of this beautifully designed compact SUV, it has an iconic tiger nose grille that adds tusk-like feature to it. Similarly, tiger eyeline shape headlamps with dual functionality of DRLs and turn indicators is a class of its own. Stepwell design, very beautifully integrated in tiger nose grille, is very up. Looking at the back profile of the vehicle, the wraparound glass gives it a really wide look, and the signature of tail lamps really give it design continuity and complement to the front of the vehicle, therefore making it a very well balanced design. Talking about interior of vehicle, it feels very airy with ample natural light, with dual tone option for HT models and all black with red highlights option for GT line models, just like the Kia Seltos. Analog plus digital instrument cluster will be one of the biggest in the segment. Nicely designed vertical AC vents for effective air conditioning. Just like Kia Seltos, this SUV will also have 10.25-inch touchscreen, air purifier system, premium Bose sound system, segments first ventilated seats and ample boot space. Kia Sonet will be presented in 3 engine options. Number 1 is 1.2 liter SmartStream petrol engine. Number 2 is 1.0 liter GDI petrol performance oriented engine. Number 3 is 1.5 liter CRDI diesel engine. These will be similar to engines offered in Hyundai Venue. Among the gearbox options, the Sonet will feature 5-speed manual transmission, 6-speed manual transmission, 6-speed advanced automatic transmission, performance-oriented 7-speed DCT, and the newly launched intelligent manual transmission, wherein there is no clutch but still the driver can shift gear comfortably as per his convenience, thus providing the control in the driver's hand. Just like Kia Seltos, the GT line variants of Kia Sonets will also have cosmetic differentiations as compared to HT variants. Few points to mention such as red brake caliper, GT line tagging in the grille, leatherette with red stitching in seats, steering as well as gear lever, and alloy pedals to mention sportiness and performance orientation of the vehicle. Sonet is offered with front and rear parking sensor, premium Bose music system with around 7 speakers, connected car technology with around 57 connected featured through UVO. At last, due to loaded features and some of them very first in the market, this SUV will gonna be a very tough competition in sub 4 meter compact SUV segment. Alright guys, this is it for this video. We will post a detailed review of Kia Sonet once it is available in dealership. And yes, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care, stay safe and have a good one.